Welcome to Glass Guru, your trusted destination for efficient and reliable door glass repair services. With years of expertise and commitment to excellence, we specialise in swiftly restoring the integrity of your doors with precision and care. Whether it's a cracked pane, fog glass, or shattered door glass, our skilled technicians are equipped with the latest tools and techniques to provide prompt solutions tailored to your needs. At Glass Guru, we understand the urgency of your door glass repair needs. That's why we prioritise swift response times and efficient repairs, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily routine. Our goal is to exceed your expectations with every repair, delivering lasting results that enhance the security and aesthetics of your space. From residential to commercial projects, no job is too big or small for our dedicated team. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and impeccable workmanship, guaranteeing that your door glass repair is completed to the highest standards. Experiencing peace of mind knowing that your door glass repair needs are in the hands of trusted experts. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take the first step towards restoring the functionality and beauty of your doors with our premium repair service from Glass Guru. Thank you.